Gun him down dead, man, case closed. Sipping on the walkie mixed with Fago. Yellow diamonds dancing like the rainbow. Brand new SUV, this a Durango. Gun him down dead, man, case closed. Sipping on the walkie mixed with Fago. Yellow diamonds dancing like the rainbow. Brand new SUV, this a Durango. Head down, keep my thoughts all to myself. Margie yellow jacket all up on the shelf. I told him, bitch, I'm
YouTube was good, man. If y'all want to know how to sound like that, stay tuned. I got y'all, man. So if you guys don't know who Flansie is, you probably don't. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to. He's gonna come up. You feel what I'm saying? I'm trying to keep him low key. But if you know him, that's what's up. If you don't, then I'm finna put y'all on. But so basically, this preset I have is called Can Can, but it sounds nothing like Can Can. It really sounds like Flansie. And the trick is you wanna have, and again, Isaiah TG. I don't know why I have these names, but this was important because I'll play a little bit.
gun him down dead, man, case closed.
You hear how it's like, I take it out. Listen to this how it sounds.
Gun him down dead, man, case closed.
See what I mean? So I put that back
Man, case closed.
like that. You know what I'm saying? Let me show you the actual song by him so that y'all can hear it. Yeah, so you know,
Gun him down dead, man, case closed.
I would say pretty similar. So I ain't gonna waste y'all's time, man. Here, here go to the what's it called? Here goes the preset. So let's see. I'll try to go slow. You guys can screenshot or whatever. Digicomp, noise gate, de-esser. My TV in the background. You need your equalizer, of course, D-delay. There we go. And then graphic EQ. Go ahead, use pause, screenshot, whatever you gotta do. Here it is. And then my studio reverb. So that'll do it for the main preset. So then I have my the one. I'll show you guys the ad lib, like not all of these, but like I'll show you like the same time voice I used. I call it same time, the double voice, whatever you want to call it. Then I'll show you the ad libs. So here's the double voice. You need a digicomp. You need noise gate. You need de-esser, EQ3, graphic EQ. Oh, that could be 0 though. And then EQ3. So that's the voice I use to put it like the double voice. And then my ad-libs, I'm pretty sure I use the same. Yeah, it's the same thing for the ad-libs. It's just quieter. So yeah, man.
Brand new SUV, this a Durango. Gun him down dead, man, case closed.
So yeah, I just made this and I was like, damn, I look fuck with this. So you know, I thought I would just put this out there, man. If you guys like this, man, subscribe, comment below, and appreciate y'all watching. Peace.